So by the way guys, we're going to draw the Matis. It says, but I thought it was done yet, so it's okay. Let's keep on going. And always my area has weird sounds. This is why you hear always, that's why in my videos have weird sounds. Okay? I have less subscribers before. Want new people. I know don't want people don't have YouTube yet, but that's still fine. They can watch this too and join it once they have their YouTube channel. It says it's a contest, so I'm fine with it. I'm going to copy the word. It says so with noisy sounds, and don't mind the noisy sounds that happens, okay? My area is very weird. And then it says all about him. This guy, of course. And make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss out any videos I upload. So you can watch them always. 1. So by the way, let's keep on finishing this. It says this is going to be the eye, so I'm just going to copy it instead. There. Wait. See, I told you there was noisy sounds. And here you go. We have the eyes. We can copy now. Time to copy, guys. There you go. Once it's all complete, there, it will be the coolest ending. Oop, don't mind that. My flipper clip is always crazy, so that's why. I'm going to copy the eyes instead, so it's much faster. That's right. I'm not going to trace. I'm just using the eyes so it can be more quick, because I don't want to make it slow for this record. Oof, I see the wrong thing. Don't worry, it's fine. It's almost complete, guys. It says I should copy it, so I'm going to make the other eyes very black, just like this. And make sure to join this contest too. It's so cool. You can even draw. Oh, so it even have more. So let's just keep on going. So how do I do this, I guess? Always, by the way, there's noisy sounds. While I'm continuing it, make sure to subscribe. Once I finish it, I hope we will get many subscribers. As long we can have a celebration. So once we're almost done, I forgot, I will tell you once again, there's noisy sounds all the time. And it's complete. Thank you.